Hey everyone, welcome to Picbolt.co. This is your one-stop browser-based design toolkit. Here you can make amazing visuals quickly. No design skills needed. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you two of our most popular tools, the AI Logo Maker and the Screenshot Mockup Editor, and then give you a quick tour of the rest of the suite. Let's dive in. Picbolt's AI Logo Maker generates professional logos in seconds. Add your OpenAI API key. Just type in your company name, pick an industry, and choose colors and style. Then hit Generate. The AI quickly delivers multiple logo designs based on your inputs. From there, you can tweak fonts, alignment, or add extra elements right in the editor. It's a super fast way to get a unique, custom logo without spending hours designing from scratch. Next up, the Screenshot Mockup Editor. Picbolt's mockup tool instantly transforms a screenshot into a polished, brand-ready image. Just upload your image or capture a URL and pick a device frame, browser window, or background. With 20+ built-in presets and lots of device options, phones, tablets, laptops, even watches, you can frame your content in style. Adjust shadows, padding, tilt, and colors with a few clicks to match your brand. It's perfect for developers, designers, and marketers who want their app or product screenshots to pop. Picbolt offers dozens more tools beyond logos and mockups, covering every creative need. AI generation tools, logo maker, icon generator, banner, header creator, illustrations, and infographics generators, developer and design aids, app icon maker, icon library, color picker, SVG backgrounds, web and device mockups, screenshot mockups and device mockups to showcase apps and websites, social media creators, tweet, Reddit, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Instagram post mockups, and even fake tweet blue sky generators, utilities and marketing, QR barcode generators, testimonial graphics, a short blog creator, image crop, resize, convert tools, blur, redact tools, a GIF maker, and more. And that's just a snapshot of what you can do with Picbolt. All tools run right in your browser, no installs or special skills needed. Picbolt even has a free $0 plan with no credit card required, so you can try it risk-free. Whether you're a designer, developer, or marketer, Picbolt's toolkit has something to help your project stand out. Check out Picbolt.co to explore all the tools and start creating something awesome.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to check the description below for lifetime deal link. Also like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more video.